Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about SoFi. Does SoFi offer a debit card? The short answer is yes, SoFi does offer a debit card. When you open a SoFi checking and savings account, you automatically receive a debit card. This card is a World Debit MasterCard and comes with several features designed for secure and convenient spending. SoFi's debit card has no monthly fees and provides access to over 55,000 fee-free ATMs through the Allpoint network. It also includes features like $0 fraud liability and contactless payment capabilities. You can link the card to your digital wallet for instant use. The debit card works just like any other, allowing you to make purchases online, in-store, and withdraw cash from ATMs. It's a key part of SoFi's combined checking and savings account, which also offers a competitive annual percentage yield on savings balances with no account minimums. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.